Hey there. Exciting news from Porsche. They've just launched their electric Macan, and the response has been incredible. Can you believe it? Even the most skeptical folks are giving it a thumbs up. Oliver Blume, the big boss at Porsche, shared at their annual press conference that they're swamped with orders for the electric Macan. Orders are pouring in faster than they expected. And get this, over 10,000 orders in just 4 weeks. And guess what? That's not even counting China, Taiwan, or Japan yet. Blume is super confident that this car is going to be a massive hit. Now, why is this such a big deal? Well, the Macan is like Porsche's superstar. It's their second best-selling model globally after the Cayenne, and it's the top seller in the U.S. market, while they'll still be selling the gas-powered Macan in the U.S. They're going all electric with the new model, signaling where Porsche sees the future headed. Sure, the electric Macan might cost a bit more than its gas-powered cousin, but it packs a serious punch in terms of power and comes with all new fancy software. And Porsche's aiming for a more upscale vibe with their EVs to rake in those profits. Speaking of profits, Porsche had a fantastic year in 2023, and they're optimistic despite some economic hiccups. China's market might be a bit slow right now, but Porsche's holding steady. They're sticking to their guns on pricing, believing that things will bounce back soon. And get this, Porsche's lineup is getting a major makeover. By 2025, they're revamping almost everything, including an electric Cayenne SUV, a sporty electric 718, and even a 7-seat electric SUV. Oh, and don't worry, the iconic 911 isn't going anywhere, but it might get a hybrid makeover soon. Porsche's got big dreams for the future, aiming for over 80% of their sales to be electric by 2030. But hey, they're keeping an eye on the trends and adjusting as needed. Blume's optimistic about the future of EVs, believing they'll outshine traditional cars in no time. Exciting stuff ahead for Porsche and the electric car world.